In this video, you are going to learn how to remove the black color from a video using Adobe Premiere Pro. Note that I'm just using the inbuilt effects that are already available in the software for this tutorial. I took two clips to demonstrate how it looks. Below that, I added a layer of another color so that you can clearly see the difference once the black color is removed. We are using only one effect and the name of this effect is color key. After adding it to your clip, just tweak these three options to get almost perfect black color removal. Do note that if your foreground also contains black color, then those spots are also going to be removed. You can use the masking technique to get rid of that. First, if you observe this example, since there is darkness inside the flowers, that part is also getting removed. Now let's come to the next example, which is the fire clip. Again, the process is the same. Take the dropper tool and select the black colors. Next, adjust the sliders to remove the black colors. Also, don't forget to use edge feather for smoother edges. That's it guys. This is how you can remove the black color from a video using Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more Premiere Pro tips followed by YouTube growth related videos.